In this video, we're going to learn how to use quantity plus も. Let's start with simple sentence. I ate 3 cakes. ケーキを3つ食べました. Now, if you feel 3 is surprisingly a lot or more than you expected, you can add も after the quantity and say ケーキを3つも食べました. Here, も points at the quantity and shows that the speaker thinks it's a lot. So in this case, the English translation can be as many as. So, ケーキを3つも食べました is like saying, I ate 3 cakes or I ate as many as 3 cakes. Let's see another example. I watched this anime 5 times. If you feel that 5 times is normal, you would simply say, このアニメを5回見ました. But if you think 5 times is more than usual or more than you expected, you might say, このアニメを5回も見ました. このアニメを5回も見ました. Now the sentence is more like, I watched this anime 5 times, or I watched this anime as many as 5 times. Let's say you waited for a bus for 2 hours. How would you say it if you feel 2 hours was more than you expected? That would be, バスを2時間も待ちました. バスを2時間も待ちました. In this case, も can be translated as long as, and 2時間も expresses the feeling that 2 hours is a long time. Let's say there was a party and 20 students came. If you didn't expect that many people to come, you might say 20 students came, or as many as 20 students came. How would you say it in Japanese? 学生が20人も来ました. 学生が20人も来ました. In case you're wondering, the quantity doesn't have to be right before the verb. So, 20人も学生が来ました is perfectly fine too, as long as も comes right after the quantity. Let's say you studied for 3 hours. How would you say it if you think 3 hours of studying is a lot? That would be, 3時間も勉強しました. 3時間も勉強しました. Now, what if you feel that 3 hours is not much and it's less than your normal study time? In that case, we use しか with a negative form. So we say, 3時間しか勉強しませんでした. 3時間しか勉強しませんでした. I will explain the details of しか in another video, but for now, the key point is that しか must be followed by a negative form, because it literally means I did not study except this amount. So the natural English translation would be, I studied for only 3 hours. So again, も expresses that you think 3 hours is a lot, and it's more than you expected. But しか plus negative form expresses that you think 3 hours is not much, and it's less than you expected. Now let's look at a natural conversation example. ホテルまで歩いてどのくらいですか? 歩いて25分です。25分もですか? 遠いですね。ホテルの近くにコンビニはありますか? ローソンとファミリーマートとセブンイレブンがありますよ。3つもあるんですか? 便利ですね。ホテルには温泉もありますよ。レストランは7つもあって、 全部美味しいですよ。